is always shining bright. People are smiling, making plans, hiding behind their shades, and you're doing the same. No rain, no flowers, nothing's growing where you're at. Heart is fire, but baby, I bet you're cold without me. Even when it's 90 degrees, without me, I bet that you can get any sleep in that bed, lying awake. Cause I'm not there beside you, keeping you warm at night now. I bet you're cold.
Hi guys, today is Friday. I hope you're right when I say. I last vlogged on Wednesday when I went to my gynae's appointment. Sana, I'm not sure if I'm happy or but I removed ilanduka loop. Yeah. So gang patch the welcoming guys. Listening as a I'm like I've been experiencing. I know what I'm about to tell you guys it is TMI, but I've been experiencing a lot of ilanduka infections lately. And my gynae suggested it's fine, I can take it out. And I push it guys for 4 years. Imagine for 4 years in the push up. But yeah, the chill almost by today is Friday. I don't think I opened this vlog. Anyone that say welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, and if you are returning Sabi, thank you so much for coming back. As Lalini Ndibuyile guys, and my finger is healing kakuhle. Jungan. Braids, but andikagqibi uphotha because ndiyaziphotha ngoku guys ndiligwala mna. I think nizabe niqala undibona ngebraids kule channel because ndagqibela kudala kwa uqhina. I've been installing ndifaka iweave okanye ndichebe, so ndizincamile. Please do not ask me ngenjibabs yam, my hairline. Ndizawuzama ukuyikhulisa ndibe ndiqhina. Hopefully andizoyigqiba more because ndenze inotless. So I'm gonna show you guys my hair when I'm done, but I am so happy. I hope zizawuhlala ezinye. But yeah, I think ndibuyile ekuqhineni. But Sana, if andikhange ndisele i-pain medication izolo ngenisithi RIP kum ngoku because ibuhlungu guys le nto. Mna ndiyoyika uphathwa entloko. Guys, plans for le vlog or plans for the weekend, I don't know, because tomorrow we were supposed to siya kwi-event kanozi, but we decided to check amatikiti sekulate. Bendifuna uwathenga izolo xa ndithi sold out Sana, but yeah, I don't know, but sizawubona uba sizokwenza njani, ubana ndizokwenza njani. So yeah guys, bye for now. Hi guys, molweni bandase. Ndiyakhwaza because andifakanga mic guys. The reason why ndingathanda uyifaka le mic, I feel like xa ndizimamele ndifake yona inale noise man endingayithandiyo. It's Sunday today. We are going to church. Kulate noba late, but ndiqonde let me update you first so that ndizoyazi bana at least today ndinibolisile. Masameni guys, siyeni ecaweni, and then after church you're gonna go to the mosque.
You're so damn cold. Never rains in California. The sun is always shining bright. But if the sky would open up, you're staying home, you don't get out. You always used to love the rain, but LA changed you. No rain, no flowers, nothing's growing where your heart is fire. But baby, I bet you're cold without me. Even when it's 90 degrees, without me, I bet that you can get any sleep in that bed.
If you want to know what the Lord is doing, look at my family. If you want to see where the Lord is taking his people, look at me and my children. If you want to know and people that worship God, look at me and my children. Because I and the children the Lord has given me, we are not ordinary, but we are signs and wonders.
Amen. are back from church.
You're so damn cold. I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. No rain, no flowers. Nothing's growing where your heart is fire. But baby, I bet you're cold without me. Even when it's 90 degrees. Without me, I bet that you can get any sleep in the bed, lying awake. Cause I'm not there beside you, keeping you warm and I know. I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold.
Do we still have
It never rains in California. The sun is always shining bright. Don't need someone to save me, no, and don't come running to blame me. From miles away, I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk, I think I said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car, let me see who you are, who you really are, yeah. Don't need you here to say you're sorry, cause if you're gonna leave me then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle, no, I just gotta know if you're gonna leave me.
Then I'm only sorry. Happy Monday. Happy Monday, guys. Ndilungiselela ukuya ejimini. My bag is here. Busy zinto zam zoya ejimini. Hi Mandase, today is Monday. Ndichilo mosne? I don't know. But oh sana, ndicela ningahleki intloko yam. Ndicela ningahleki edges zam, guys. I've been trying to remove as the edges. There's a mirror behind the phone, so Lumi. I've been trying, guys, to remove as the edges. As the phone usuka sana glamour gel ungubani na. Hayi sana ngoku ndibeke amanzi ashushu ndifuna uyisusa. Luckily ke ndimhlambe nje ubuso bam I didn't moisturize my face, so ndizawulanduka ngoku ndizakumoisturizer, guys. I'm not sure if I told you about iMyCam jonga ndifake this thing ngoku because I feel like that black sponge thing yeMyki iyenza ubana ibe ne weird sound, so I am trying this one, and then if I am happy ngayo ndizayilanduka ndizawuqhubeka ngayo, but if I'm not happy I think I need to upgrade iMyki. I don't know nobana ndiya exaggerate okanye what do you guys think, because I feel like sound yale mic lena it's not giving, guys. It's not. I think in the season yam ndedwa braids, but yeah, yesterday we went to church, and then after church we went to the mall. We passed by the mall, we got few things. I tried vlogging, but I didn't vlog yonke into, so I want to show you. Please don't judge, guys. Please don't judge. I know. Bana ndisoloko kuthiwa buy this, ndiyithenge, kuthiwe buy this, ndiyithenge. But I am happy with my hairline so far. Ndiya ejimini, by the way, and ndiyazi noba ndichilona. So look what I bought. Le Dark and Lovely Pro Collection. It's a revitalizing hair oil. Kuthiwa ke right for hairline. So let's hope it's alright. What else and guys, I don't have to tell you every time dithenga something ubana price imali. I feel like it's cotton. I feel like this is cotton xa ndisenza loo nto leyo, even though ndingenamali. But my deodorant. Deodorant le? I think so. Can you deodorant roll on? Correct me if I'm wrong. And then ndazithengela inicinamide ezinto zakwa the ordinary. Ndibuyele back, but ndithenge umzukulwana guys andinamali. Ndithenge inicinamide plus zinc. Ndathenga hyaluronic acid. Nandoni? Yeah, hyaluronic acid plus B5. I hope niyazibona guys izinto endizibonisayo. Cotton pads ezinazo sana beghetto abantwana badlala ngazo. And then why ingathi ayifani naleya nandiyithengile? Is it the same? Protection UV ultra longs. Is it the same? Oh sana, let's hope it is. But yeah, so let me get dressed guys. Mhlambe ezi edges ndizokuzenza obutsha ndiphinde try again for the last time and then head to the gym. Ndizo Uber ngokusesekuseni because I feel like I get tired xa ndisiya ejimini late. Oh, another thing guys, yesterday bekugcwele guys emall. Khandikwazi ukungena eWoolies, khandikwazi ukungena eAckermans, khandikwazi ukungena eMr Price Kids because ndifuna i-gown for abantwana bam and also izlippers. Bane-pyjama party on Friday, so sizohamani guys siyokhangelani i-gown for abantwana bam and also
you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Let's be honest for a second. Yeah, you're being over your head, babe. 'Cause there is no one other than me that can make you feel the way you feel when I hold you. I think I said enough. You said you love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car. Let me see who you are, who you really are. Yeah, don't need you here to say you're sorry. 'Cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle. No, I just gotta know if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Just do it. Don't need you here to say you're sorry. 'Cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle. No, I just gotta know if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Gonna stay in this moment. Gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely. I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no.
I got slippers for both of them comments, and I'm here at Woolies to check ilanduka gowns. Sana. Woolworths is expensive, guys. A gown in Mr. Price Kids in the comments difference is only 10 rand. It's 150 and 160. Upper it's 380 and 400. So let me go back, but let me check for boys because I can't find anything for Umdanam that is cute. How is it down? Fancy guys, and then here is the price.
But I don't have to be chasing every dream that I have. Oh, no. 'Cause the thing is, I've got more love here than I can bear. Ooh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know is this is where my heart is. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. You said it was the last time, but you keep coming back to tell me sorry that you take back all the things you said just to hurt me. Our love just went cold, but I'm still burning. Our love just went cold. Why? I keep on making the same mistake. I always let you back in when I begin to get myself together again. You are back once more, like everything's the same. I tried to build my walls up, but you're taking them down. It's tearing me apart. I can't pretend.
Hey, you're right. I'm here between choosing the two. I feel like I have something similar, even though it's not like this here. I love this one, and I also like this one. This is when I'm taking it. Now I have to decide between the two. I'm thinking of going with this one, but I feel like the outfit I want is Funa is more. To tell you guys, I'm not sure. Let me take a purple because there is pink as means unazo. 3 to 4. I'm gonna take it to 5. This is a pep, but at least I got something for a girl. So now I shot a boy and I don't like what I'm seeing already, but guys, isanoba ngumzali. I think ngizothatha lo navy or plain. I don't have a choice. Hi guys. Mulweni, today is Monday. Is it Monday? No, it's not Monday. Today is Tuesday. And Asana, I want to edit this vlog. Hi Bandase, I hope you guys are still good. I feel like this is gonna be a short vlog. Yeah, it's gonna be a short vlog because in the final guys, let me show you something. The time I was confused which shoe. So I decided to take this one. Let me show you. This apha plastic Ackermans because bengingafuni uthenga iplastic eGas ekubeni ndinale plastic lena. Yabo. So I decided to buy this. But now ndinayo indawana encinci ezisolayo because this shoe ndizayinxiba nesaa skirt ndandizozi-unboxa unboxa ntoni na nesaa skirt ndandizonibonisa sona guys, the blue skirt with 2 different aprons. Kukho into ezayo exciting ne, and I won't disclose as yet, but very soon nizayibona. Like ndizanixelela very soon. I just want to be sure ne. Kukhona apha endinvayithwe khona kakuhle kakuhle, so I just want to be sure. So I'm gonna wear esaa skirt with ezi zihlangu, but I feel like eziya ndizijikisileyo bezizawuba ngcono. And then this morning I ordered a top from Shein, a white top from Shein, and ndifuna ubana ezohambelana nesaa skirt. I'm just crossing fingers ubana by the time ndisiya kule ndawo ndiya kuyo ibe i-order yam seyifikile. So I decided to take these. A part of me iyafuna uzijikisa, a part of me ifuna uvele ndiyothenga eziyana ndibe nazo ezi neziyana because sana ndibuyele ecaweni, so zizandinceda nasecaweni ezi zihlangu ezi ndizithengileyo. And then nezi ke besendinibonisile guys. Nezi besendizibonisile. Guys, eyona nto ke endizise apha, I am here to close off this vlog. Andiyazi noba izawuba ngu-15 seconds or ntoni, not seconds man, minutes or ntoni guys, ndizandixolela. But bendifuna ukwenza le nto eyenziwa zii-girls xa zi-unboxa, but order yam ifikile, ndiyipleyise izolo ekuseni. So this time around ndithenge iti enkulu, yabo, iti enkulu because ndidikwa yinto yobana leyana iyakhawuleza uphela and ndiyayithanda for ejimini, inekhafeyini ephezulu. So I am avoiding ukulantuka, ukusela i-energy drinks phayana elantukeni ejimini. So yeah bantase, let me close off this vlog here. Akho kudala ndiyilandile le order. The time is 10:15 kusesekuseni mos. The time is 10:15. Bandifowunele ndiklina. I'm cleaning around the house. I'm still wearing pajamas. When I'm done cleaning ndizawuhlamba, and then later on umyeni xa ebuyile at work ndihambe ndiye elantukeni ejimini. So yeah guys, thank you for watching until this far. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I hope aniskipanga guys the ads. Guys, I really appreciate Ilanduk. I know I always say this, but I really appreciate the support. And also you comment, even if you don't have anything to say, you can just drop your heart so that in the morning ukele. So yeah guys, thank you so much. Until next time,